Alrighty, guys. Is this it? Oh yeah, this it. Damn, I forgot what year. I don't remember what year it was. Anyway, it's making a terrible noise, according to the complaint. Now, before I proceed, let's start this stupid thing. Okay, guys, I need to verify. Y'all know the 6-step troubleshooting to anything, right? Don't start me the line. I don't know about hard. But anyway, my first one is gonna be I gotta duplicate this. All right, what are we looking at? How many miles on this thing? The check engine light on. I got an airbag light on. Where's the mileage? I need to see the mileage. I want to know what I'm up against. Oh, 150,000 miles. Look at all those tire pressure sensors missing. Okay, 150,000 miles. Roaring noise while driving. Y'all know on every car, every vehicle, there are 4 wheels. In between the wheel and the frame or the hub, it's what we call a hub bearing. Right around that mileage, those bearings will tend to give out. Okay, it don't matter what kind of car, what's the name on your vehicle. Every vehicle out there utilize hub bearings. Okay, you gotta have a resistant, or you gotta have a rolling way for your wheel to roll on the road. Roll on the road. Well, anyway, that could be what's wrong with this one, but we won't know. No sense speculating. Let's go for a drive. I don't know. From my understanding, it's been at a shop. Here we go again with this nonsense, guys. People just, for some reason, don't take their car back to the shop that worked on it. Like, if I had to guess, I would think it's because they lost trust in those folks. But if you're entitled to a free recheck of the work, oh my goodness, this transmission bumped. Oh man, I'm hearing no. Oh no. We will not be test. Y'all hear that? Let me shut up. No. We will not be test driving this one. I'm not about to get out there and get stranded. Guys, we're going straight in the shop. Yeah, okay. There's no need, okay? The purpose of the test drive was to duplicate the concern. If I can duplicate it by this little driving I'm doing, there's no point in test driving it, all right? Now, if I had to guess, I think it's on, sound like it's on the right side. Well, you know what? We're going inside the shop, guys. We're not playing these games. So let me get inside the shop and get this thing in the air and check some things. All right, y'all stay tuned. Finally, all right. This damn lift here, this is one of the truck lifts, and it's hard to get a smaller car on the lift. Let me see. Yeah, that's about right. This is the one with the noise, guys. Remember on the test drive we was on? Woo, making a whirling noise. Sound like hub bearings, but I want to verify. All right, I can't do that until I take the vehicle off the ground and then start rotating. Y'all know the drill. 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock. No, 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock. All right, typical way to check suspension. Okay, that's why we do a lot of the tie rod inspections and things like that. But I'm hoping that leak was down there before I pulled up on the lane. I didn't pay attention. His tire looked cut. That may be my noise right there, guys. Well, ain't no sense of guessing. Let's find out. All right. Ooh. Well, that ain't so bad. I need both of my hands to do. It's a brand new tire. Did they put that tire on there thinking? Brakes look like. Brakes still good. It's a brand new tire. So hopefully, another brand new tire. Yo, it look like somebody just put brand new tires on this thing. Now preliminary, this is not the proper way to check hub bearings, but preliminary, there's nothing going on. Is this a brand new tire? No, it's not. See, what you need to look for, make sure the tires are not cupped. Yeah. All right, I was thinking this shit gonna be obvious because that noise was loud. Oh my goodness. Wait a minute. Is the lug nuts tight? Somebody just worked. Hold on, guys. I'm shaking along with the phone, so y'all can't really. But y'all see that? That's loose. Now, before I condemn. Oh yeah, that's my noise. Whew, glad this was obvious. Let me take this wheel off, because if the wheel lugs was loose, just say a mechanic left the wheel lugs loose, they could ruin that hub bearing. But that was my noise. That was my noise. Let me go further and look behind this axle. See what can I see. I want to take this wheel off and make sure. Oh, let's see. Oh, look at that axle. It's the center nut. I wonder if the center nut, y'all remember the last car I did? The straight center nut was loose. I gotta take this wheel off, because I want to get a closer look at everything. Not just, man, this look new. Cousin Pookie strikes again, y'all. Yeah, this look old. This look new. In the process, did they leave the damn... Let me make sure. What y'all think? Ain't that new? Yeah, that look new. You can see the socket been on the boat. And this is old and rusty, so this old. Yeah, that's nice, pretty gray. Somebody just replaced this. I'm wondering, did they tighten up the damn... Alright, I gotta get this wheel off. Y'all hold tight. Whoa, this earthquake ain't nothing to play with. I'm on the other side of the shop, so this is my neighbor's earthquake. Alright, let's get this tire off. Still can't tell if it's... Well, I ain't got enough strength to turn that. Let me put a damn socket on this mug. How the hell somebody do work? A shop can be... This is how people get in tragic accident. You know, you're a reckless mechanic if you let this go. Look at that. Now they hearing whirring noise. If nothing else, they done killed the hub bearing. Oh, I can take this drum off if I... Oh my goodness. First I want to see... I need to socket this side. I want to hammer that on, see if everything tighten up. Y'all hold tight. Let me find a tooth. All right, let's see. Ah, we got a winner. All right, guys. Here goes nothing. Let's see if it's even loose. You gotta be kidding me. The damn thing wasn't even freaking tight. Oh my goodness. Look, that's tight. Yeah, when you torque the axle nut to specs, that's what you would get. Oh my goodness. You know what, guys? I can't trust that hub bearing at this point. Yeah, because remember, the hub bearing has the spline that goes from the axle. Oh my goodness. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I need to make sure that that's going to fix the noise, the roaring noise. I heard roaring noise in this thing. Oh. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the tire back on, and I'm going to go drive it. If the noise is gone, I still got to settle my hub bearing, because at this point, they could have ruined it. And I don't need this on my, yeah, you gotta CYA, man. Yeah. So, but that's what it was the whole time. Whoever put this knuckle on simply did not torque the axle nut to specs, because that's tight now. Yeah, I'm turning it not that way. You don't test it that way. You test it, you know, from motion to motion, side to side. It's tight now. Yeah. If I put the wheel back on, it's gone. So somebody put new tires on it and they put a knuckle on it, but end up letting the customer go. Over time, I guess that backed up, and I had a roaring noise. So I'm gonna put this wheel back on and go drive this thing. If the noise is gone, like I say, I'm still getting the hub bearing, but Be careful out there, guys. If y'all mechanics, DIY mechanics, do yourself a favor. Recheck your work, okay? This could have gotten ugly, but I couldn't turn this off with my hand, so there's likely no way this nut would have worked this way all the way off, you know, and everything fell off. Yeah, that's highly unlikely. However, the bearing could have overheated and potentially caused a fire because it's not on right. So a lot of the shoulda, woulda, couldas, a lot of things could have happened, but didn't. So thank goodness it didn't. But look at that rotor. Somebody must have pad slapped. Look, this is the sign of pad slapping. Y'all see that? That's once a new pad. They didn't cut the rotor. They just slapped pads on it. All right. Well, my job is to find the noise, and I did. All right, guys. Like I say, either way, they're getting the hub bearing, whether the noise is gone or not. So I'm going to end this video. I don't like these long videos, and I hope y'all got something out of this. Thanks for watching.